Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Etekcity Voltson Smart Wi-Fi outlet. This is a 2-pack, and I would like to thank Etekcity for sending these out for review. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox them. I have not unboxed these or tried them out yet, so this is simply going to be an unboxing. I will be doing a review video of them later after I have some time to play around with them. So first off, the specifications on these. These are, the wireless range is about 164 feet maximum for the max visible range. Android 4.0 or iOS 7.0 or higher for the operating system to download the app. The maximum power is 1000 watts or 8 amps that this can handle, so you can't plug anything higher than that into them. And right here we have the app. So this is the little setup guide. Download the VSync app and register for an account. Connect it to Wi-Fi, plug in your outlet, follow the instructions on the app, so on and so forth. So that is a little setup guide, your warranty information, help, troubleshooting, and all your customer support stuff is all in that. So that looks pretty nice. This little thing right here, and that is once again just letting you know about the load limit of these and the Wi-Fi range. These also only support a 2.4 gigahertz network, but after you connect them on a 2.4 gigahertz network, if you have your phone on a 5 gigahertz network, you can switch your phone back or your device back to that 5 gigahertz network. So this is what they look like. Again, there are 2 of them, which is really nice. So that's what it looks like. It's just a little plug right there. There is a power button right here if you need to turn it on manually, or you don't have your phone, you can actually push this button and turn it on and off. So you do have a regular 3-prong standard US outlet, little indicator light right there on the side, and that is the Etekcity Smart Wi-Fi plug. I'm going to go ahead and get these set up, and like I said, I will be making another video for these to show you guys how they work and how well they perform. And I'll save one. I'm going to set one up to review, and then I'm going to save one and I'll set that one up on video so you guys can see that once when I do that review video, and I'll show you guys how easy they are to set up or how hard they are to set up depending on whichever one it is. But this has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day. And also check out the link down below. I will provide an Amazon link where you can pick some of these up for yourself.